Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. Today is What's Up Wednesday. I came to know of this open collaboration through Kim's Inspired Life. This is hosted by Tijo Creates. I think that's Lucia's channel here on YouTube. So please make sure to check out these ladies' channels. Today I'll be sharing a little project share here. If you followed my thrifty hauls in the past, you've seen me show you this beautiful Anna Griffin box. I got it for $4.99, but inside it had the full Christmas kit. Perfect for card making for the holidays. So I'm super excited. I'm not a fan of card making, so this kit is perfect because everything is cut up. All you have to do is put it together. It also came with this little sheet that shows you different iterations of how to use all the ephemera, different sketches for the cards. So much inspiration. I followed a few of them, and then the rest I kind of winged it and did my own. And that's the beauty of these DIY cards, because you can really make it your own. So I'm going to go ahead and show you some of the cards that I did end up making. So the first one had this beautiful background, and I love the red birds and the bird house there. Just did very simple layering there with our gold foil leaves. It's a sending holiday cheer. So that's our first card. Here is another one. I just love the gold foil and the holly. A Christmas tree says Christmas greetings. And then we have like this strip, like a belly band, and our red bow. And I still have a lot to go. So some of these cards I am going to be selling at a holiday boutique craft sale at a local elementary school in our area. And I'm going to be selling them as bundles. So I think that'll be fun. And the rest and the remainder of the cards that I make, I will be mailing out to friends and family. So here's another one. Love the traditional green and red. We have some dimensional flowers and then a gold bow. Let's see what else we have here. Here is one that was similar to what they had made. I just changed the background to red just to make it pop there. Really, really pretty. Saying, wishing you a glorious Christmas. I'm also grouping some of the ones that just say season greetings, because not everyone celebrates Christmas. So it would be nice to have a set of cards. And that's why I love this card set. They have Christmas and holiday greetings. And so that's what I'm going to be adding. Here is another cute one, sending joy, which is nice. So I left these blank. They did come with the sheets with the pre-printed greetings, but I thought I would keep these blank for people to personalize them. Here is our other one. I love this one with the sleigh. Super cute. I also have some crafty friends that I've been watching make their cards, and really inspiring. There's Cornflower Crafts. She was using some paper scraps and making these beautiful cards with a blue palette. You have to see it. And there's also FP Handmade, makes so many cards varying in different occasions. And I really am inspired by her creations. And Crafty Mama Diaries also is one of my favorites. She's amazing with the stamping and showing the different ways to create different card sketches. Here's one with Santa, an adorable little doggy there sending Christmas cheer. Put that there. So again, I think I already have over 20 cards here. Now here is one that I had made according to the design that they had here in the sample. Love the soft colors on this one as well. And then just something really simple, because there's some that we would like to mail, so it'd be perfect to have it more flat and easier to mail. Some of these are dimensional. The ones that are dimensional, I think I'm going to be giving in person to friends and family. And the flat mail will go to some of my other friends and family too. So here's another duplicate of this one, because I'm sure other people will like that. And then we have this one Love the holly and the red and the flowers, the Christmas flowers. And then I have, so I'm gonna be bagging them like this for the holiday craft fair. I may be adding a little bow. Let me know if that's a good idea, or ribbon, just to bring in a little festive look. This one's not quite finished. I'm probably going to add a little gem dot on top of that. But I think it's so cute. Super fun to make. And I felt accomplished having made these cards pretty quickly. So I just love this kit. Oh, I love this one too. This is also one of my favorites. I just love the background. And then we have this one, very vintage feeling there. Love the sentiment on this this card here. Wishing you love and light this season. And look at that, just very simple, very elegant. I mean, her kits are just amazing. And I was just super lucky to have found it at a thrift store. They actually had a couple boxes and I left one behind. And then the last one I made, I was really excited to make this one, but guess what happened? Wrong side. So I'm going to be using this as a journaling card in my December daily. But that is my card sets that I made from this Anna Griffin card kit. I wanted to also show you some of my completed Advent calendar diamond painting ornaments. And I will put a little shot here showing you what they look like. So they're super cute. We have Frosty, Pokemon character, and a little hedgehog. Now, I will say, if you are not a big fan of Pokemon, my kids love them, so that's why I got this. Because on Amazon, they give you a preview of what is in the box, and so I bought it for that reason. I did open all because I wanted to start working on these, and these are super fun and quick to make. Now, they come with one of the pieces, and it also has a matching little chain link and lobster claw keychain. So it's perfect to use as a keychain and perfect to use also as an ornament. So I am excited to finish up the rest of these. And then I was prepping some goodie bags in advance for my dog Finn's friends. He has 3 of his besties, so I got just a little bag. I may be adding a few more items, but let me show you what I ended up doing. So I basically made 3 identical bags. I will be adding some holiday tissue paper in the background, and got these Molly's Bakery sparkly apple cinnamon little treats. How cute is that? Looks like a little mug with some whipped cream and like paws. And then I got some little doggy bands, and it already had the sticker on it and a cute little ball. I may be adding another treat in here, but I got these bags from Temu. And I think they're super cute and reusable. So we'll add a little bit more color there, and that is it. Now, another item I did get from Temu for packaging is this cute little bag. How adorable is that? It comes with a velvet pouch, and it says Merry Christmas. So it has a little dangle charm. I think there was another one, it was red and it had a reindeer. This was so easy to put together. You will get it flat. Let me show you what the red one looks like. So here is what it looks like. It'll come in flat. This is the little handle. You have your little pouch, and then you have the pieces for the 4 brads that will hold all of the items, these together. And you have the reindeer. I will say there was no instruction paper in it, but being a crafter, it was pretty easy to put together. As you can see here, it is just adorable. So you'll see that there's like a little double hole here. That's where you would place the second, this little charm on. And I'm excited to put some goodies in here and start preparing some holiday gifts for our Christmas season. So that is What's Up Wednesday. Make sure to check out Lucia's channel, which is Tijo Creates, and enjoy seeing what everybody's up to this Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoyed my little project share. Love to see what you guys are up to. And if you are celebrating Thanksgiving, wishing you all a wonderful celebration with your family and friends. Take care and be safe. I'll see you next time. Bye.